Catherine Grace, where are we?
Hey, take your M&Ms. They're not chocolate works.
Alright, here it goes.
Here we go. Oh man. Epic moment.
It's chocolate water. Oh, so satisfying.
That does look so satisfying.
That should happen to all of us. Alright.
$3.
There he is. Let's name him. What's his name?
Louis. Do we put it down now?
Choco-rific?
No, we have to put it.
Is it going to be hard and crunchy by the time it gets done? Like the chocolate will dry?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Freezer.
It's a freezer?
Now what?
That's the coolest thing ever.
Once it gets on here, you guys are gonna pour the M&Ms on it.
Alright, so spread out. Slide this way so you both have room.
We're gonna have one.
Whatever you do, no, pull your sleeves up too, because if you get pulled in there, you'll turn into an envelope. Just wait, just wait, just wait. Hey, spread out, spread out.
There.
Wait a minute, where's the cookie? Is it under that?
Yeah.
Holy what? Are you eating the profits? Alright, so this is, I don't know how hot, but this is what, 46 degrees? So now it goes into a freezer where it's 46 degrees. This whole thing is refrigerated. And then it comes out here and it's like a hard, delicious treat. Choco Works in Commack. Are we in Commack?